In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use approvals and Adobe Sign in Microsoft Teams. With approvals, you can request time off, ask your team to review and approve social media posts, or manage internal requests just like many teams do every day. On top of that, you can send contracts and documents that require official signatures by using Adobe Sign, all without leaving Microsoft Teams. The best part is that you can send approval requests instantly, no matter where you're working from. Let's break down how approval requests work in Microsoft Teams. Before anything else, you'll need to set up the Approvals app. Just like any other Teams app, start by opening the Teams App Store. Click the three dots on the left-hand menu or select the store icon, then search for Approvals and open the app. If you plan to use it often, right-click the app and pin it so it stays visible on the left side panel for easy access. Now let's create a simple approval request. For this example, we'll send a blog post for approval. Click New Approval Request and choose the request type. We'll select Basic for now. Give your request a clear name, such as Post Approval. Next, choose the people who need to approve it and add any additional information they need. In this case, you can paste the blog content that needs review. Once everything looks good, send the request. That's all it takes. If you're working with contracts or statements of work that require verified signatures, Adobe Sign makes this possible directly inside Teams. To use Adobe Sign, you'll need an active subscription, or you can start with a free trial. From the Approvals app, or by clicking the Approvals icon in a chat, start a new approval request and select Basic with Adobe Sign from the options. Give the request a name, such as Blog Editorial, then add any necessary details. Upload the document that needs to be signed, either from your computer or from an existing Adobe Basic file. After that, add your recipients and assign their roles, whether they're signers or approvers. Once everything is set, send the request. You might be wondering what happens after you hit send. Aside from feeling accomplished, you can easily track everything you've submitted. Inside the Approvals app, go to the Sent tab to view your requests. Here, you'll see the status, who sent the request, who received it, and whether you're still waiting for a response. You can also switch to the Adobe Sign tab to monitor your e-sign requests. Using approvals together with Adobe Sign and Microsoft Teams helps you avoid digging through email threads and saves a huge amount of time. It keeps everything organized in one place and makes collaboration much smoother. Be sure to try out approvals with your team. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.